to my channel. Today I am going to make homemade English muffins. This recipe is super easy. It's a little time consuming just because you have to let the dough rise. So it takes a little bit of planning, but they are so fun to make, and then there's all kind of possibilities for you to use them. So if you would like to watch me make English muffins, stay tuned.
So into my mixer with the dough attachment is 7 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of salt, 4.5 teaspoons of yeast or 2 packets, 3 cups of milk that I've heated to no higher than 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 eggs, and 6 tablespoons of softened butter. Now I'm just going to mix this on medium speed for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to put this into a oiled bowl with a lid, or you can cover it, for at least 8 hours to overnight in your refrigerator. Now I'm just going to put some flour on parchment paper, turn my dough out, and I'm going to cut it into, I should have cut it into 24 pieces, but I only did 14. My English muffins were huge, but that's okay. I mean, it was fine anyway. I just had to cook them a little bit longer. So you want to shape them into the shape of an English muffin, like an oval, and flatten it out. Then you're going to put them on a sheet pan that you've sprinkled with cornmeal and let them rise for 45 minutes. Then you're just going to put them in a pan with no oil and just get color on either side of them and put them right back on your sheet pan. Put them in a 350 degree oven for 10 minutes if they're small, or 20 minutes if they were huge like mine.
Okay, we're all done with our English muffins. They came out really, really delicious. I actually didn't have any cornmeal to put on them, but they came out fine just without it, so you don't even need that if you happen to not get it at the store like me. So I hope you try this and enjoy it, and I will put instructions in the description and tips and everything. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!